What happens when you don't have two handrails on your stairs? You had a total knee replacement, you're trying to go up or down, and your walker just won't do the job. They have what's called a stair cane on Amazon. Today we're going to unbox it, take a look at it, show you the assembly, and then start using it on my staircase at home. If you guys don't know me, my name's Tony Maritato. I'm a licensed physical therapist. These fasteners click into place. When we begin, there's a little sticker on here that says this is the top, this is the up side. Okay, so before we put it together, I always like to get a sense for how deep this is gonna have to go. You could even make a little mark on there if you wanted, just to get a sense for the depth. I'm gonna line it up, just push it together. And then as I slide it down, I'm going until the holes on the inside and outside line up. Now these little fasteners clip into place. No tools required for the assembly. We're going to put the leg rests on, and the same thing, we are trying to line up the holes. We click the fasteners in. Before I lock this leg into place, I want to figure out where this needs to go for my particular staircase. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we want to set up next to the staircase we're going to be using it on, so that we have an idea how high the cane is, whether you're grabbing the top handle or the bottom handle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this one where it is. I'm going to shorten the back one. I'm going to set it on the stairwell, and I make sure it's sitting level. So at this point, this back leg lines up. I click my fastener in, and now what I've got is I've got the stair cane ready to go. I prioritized going down the stairs as opposed to going up, but it's going to work in either direction. So whether I grab it here, I grab it here. If I have a handrail on one side, I'll use it. I can also grab on the lower handle. If you remember the advice of your physical therapist, they would say go down with the bad leading. Meaning if I had a surgery on my right total knee, I would step that one down first, my surgical leg. I bring the cane down to my other leg. Surgical leg down first, cane, other leg. I can grab it from the higher position. And then when we're going up, it's always up with the good, down with the bad. And the reason for that is, if this is my surgical leg, I want my non-surgical leg to be the leg that actually carries me up the step. I bring the cane up, non-surgical, surgical, cane, non-surgical, surgical. When I'm coming down, I lead with the surgical side because the non-surgical is a strong leg that brings me down. The non-surgical is the one that's lowering the surgical leg all the way down. You know, and then what I would do is I would just leave the cane set up on the stairs. If I finish at the bottom of the stairs, it's going to be there ready for me when I go back up. If I finish at the top of the stairs, it's going to be there ready for me when I'm coming back down. Usually the ideal scenario is you would have a walker downstairs, you would have a walker upstairs, so that you're not transporting the walker up and down the stairs as well. Guys, the stair cane has been one of those things that's been super simple, very affordable, easy to use and assemble. My patients who have had a total hip replacement, total knee replacement are getting a lot of use and safety with the stair cane. If you want to check it out, it's available on Amazon. I'll share a link down in the description, but thank you so much for watching.